In order to limit order on Robinhood, the first thing you want to do is you want to open the app, go to the search bar, and look for the asset that you would like to invest in. So for this video, let's go ahead and work with the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Afterwards, make sure to go ahead and select on trade. Then you guys are able to either buy or sell. And the way it works is that when you buy a limit order, you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. So let's go ahead and do that, for example. But if you were to select on sell, then what that means is that you will set the minimum price you're willing to accept. So what you want to do from here is you want to go to the top right and select over here where it says shares. And then you'll see this section that says conditional orders. And then from here, you'll now see this option that says limit order. So go ahead and select on that. And that is going to set the price limit or the maximum price at which you're willing to buy the asset you are working with. So once you're 100% sure you want to do it, go ahead and press on continue. I would also like to reiterate that this is not financial advice. And then over here, you're able to go ahead and set the limit price. So go ahead and do that. You guys are also able to, all right, now over here is where you're able to go ahead and put in the limit price and stuff like that. And then you need to go ahead and press on continue once you're done with that. So you will need to adjust these settings to your liking and your investing goals. But in general, having the limit order feature is incredibly useful for volatile markets. Afterwards, you will need to do the purchase using your payment method, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.